Hi, and welcome back to my channel. We've got Aaron here today.
I am here.
Today we are doing our Ipsy Glam bag versus Ipsy Glam bag. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and again, this is my husband Aaron.
I'm still Aaron.
And on my channel, I do unboxings. I do subscription unboxings. I do makeup material, and as per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, so I talk about mental health issues and agoraphobia and all that lovely stuff. So if you're interested in any of those topics, or if you're into all those topics, then I highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. Now, if you are interested in us going head to head with our Ipsy Glam bags, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, and we're back. And how we do this is we keep score, and we take our products and pit them against each other. Makeup beats, skincare, skid care beats, hair care.
And hair care beats rock.
Things like that. And if we run up against something, it's just what we think.
It's very, very serious. The rules are very tightly drawn and detailed.
Yeah. So first of all, we take up what we chose, our choice items. So since I do Mask Mondays, I always pick the masks. So I've got the Creme Shot 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely, a collagen and squalane essence sheet mask, and the Creme Shot Baby It's Gold Outside, a 24 karat gold and collagen firming and moisturizing essence sheet mask.
Did you know that mask is the mighty power that will save the day?
Nobody's gonna get that reference.
Venom's not going to stop themselves, you know.
And what did you pick?
On we go. I believe that this was when I picked the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kissed.
Okay, this is a hard one. So,
Where is yours from? Yours from a specific location?
I don't know where they're from.
Made in Korea.
Korea.
Okay, so who wins, Korea or the Dead Sea? Oh, let's not do that. Let's just step back in time.
Okay.
You win that one.
No, let's just call it a tie.
Although you got 2 and I got 1, so we'll call that one a tie.
We'll call it a tie. Okay. I gotta be honest, I don't have any makeup items. Well, I have one.
2 of mine are.
No.
So it could be close.
You've got 3 makeup items there.
Oh, well, I suppose so. I didn't read the thing.
Wait, I only got 4 things.
You only got 4 things? That's not right.
Unless they count this as 2.
Maybe.
No, you got 5 things.
I don't know. Wait, what's that?
That's what this came in.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, you gotta forfeit one of your items.
Okay. I'll forfeit the YC collection. Light in the dark, highlight in coin.
Oh, wait, where's my bag at? I know.
Well, something.
I think it's still in the bag.
This is the kind of quality additional content that you get because we don't edit very much.
There it is.
There.
Okay.
The other channels would just skip right over stuff like this, but we feel that it gives you a critical insight into what exactly is going on here.
Okay, so what do you have?
Yeah. Oh, you picked it up. It is the YC Collection Light in the Dark Highlight in Coin.
It's a highlighter.
Yeah.
I've got the Glam BB5 small powder brush.
Ooh.
I would use that more like a highlighter brush.
That looks really fancy.
Yeah, but yours is more a makeup item, so I think you would win.
Ding.
One for Aaron. Okay.
What's coming up next?
I put up, and I've got this from them before. It is the First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer.
Oh, okay. I'm going to pull out the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Hydrate Primer. It's Hydrate because she is wearing scuba gear and flippers.
I think I win this one because they put those in all the time.
We've seen this before, huh?
Yes.
Okay, but you have to wait until I read the description in my Charlotte Tilbury voice.
Why Charlotte Tilbury?
Because I want to do it.
Okay.
With your busy life, a good primer like this one is key to a fresh, long-lasting look, darling. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to help prevent oils from wearing down your makeup product from settling into fine lines. That means no uneven splotchy areas, love.
I said love.
No, I said it. Okay, so you win that one?
Yes. Because...
Do the ding.
Ding.
There you go.
Because this is a crappy product. I'm sorry, you got
I
it.
never, in all my days... All right, then.
Okay, what are you putting up next?
I'm going to put up this lovely Belle in Argent, Belle in Argent, in Shimmer Tape eyeshadow duo in Coal Sheet and Production. Those aren't colour names, are they? What's the coloured name going to be in production? Production. That must have confused some people. It's a shimmery. Ooh, look at that. Reflects that ring light really well, yes.
I got from LYS, which is kind of a new beauty brand, the LYS Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil.
Oh, that does sound lovely. A match made in heaven for dry, chapped lips. This treatment oil helps nourish, moisturize, and soothe with a blend of nutrient-rich chia seed, sweet almond, and sunflower seed oils. Even better, it leaves behind a glossy finish that you'll love alone or layered over lipstick, darling. MSRP $12. Or 17.5 pounds. I don't really know what the exchange rate is.
Okay, so who
And
wins?
this one, the Shimmer Tape eyeshadow. Looking for something to spark your creativity? You're in for a treat. This everyday nude and taupe eyeshadow duo complements all eye colours and is versatile enough to wear from day to night. Plus, it's infused with argan and oils. So it's good for your skin too. Lovely, lovely for your skin, darling.
Okay, that took a long time for me to get open. Alright, so who do you think wins?
Between those two, I believe I win that one.
Okay,
And then we had one more.
one more.
I didn't hold this thing up yet. Oh yes, that's right.
Where's mine? I got the Law Beauty Essentials Nail Polish and 2 p.m. wine.
2 p.m. wine, darling. Oh, it's lovely to have a little drinky right after lunch, right around tea time.
Okay,
Lovely, darling.
what do you got?
Let Me Skin Ultra H2O Brightening Mask and Ultra H2O Hydrating Mask duo. Popular in Korean skincare, this modeling mask, the thicker, the more gel-like cousin of sheet masks, don't you know? creates a layer of skin to help deliver and lock in nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, ginger root, and tea. Use these masks to refresh, hydrate, brighten, plump, soothe, and more. And more, darling.
Okay, I think I win that one.
I think you do too.
Okay, so it's a tie.
It's a tie, darling. That means we do thumb wars.
No.
No? Oh, little thumb wars then.
Oh, we forgot to show you the bag.
Oh, yes, the bags. They're sparkly.
Very sparkly.
Very sparkly, very shiny. Shiny, sparkly. Look how shiny and sparkly. Look at it. Look at it. Be hypnotized.
With the little thing that says Ipsy.
Little round thing that says Ipsy, darling.
Okay, that's enough.
It's not enough, darling. It's never enough.
So do I get your face mask?
Yes, you can do those.
Okay, so if you like this video,
If you thought this video was lovely,
give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you get this glam bag and if you got any of the same products or if you got anything different. Let us know. And or just let us know how your day is going. How'd your Christmas go? Anything like that. We love hearing from you.
oh yes. Had enough of that, have you? Oh, no more of that then! Walk around the pub! Have a pint or two!
Okay. We hope that you are having...
Don't forget to show off your sparkly earrings.
Yeah, I'm wearing some too.
We're matching.
So I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And that if you're not having a wonderful, fantastic day today, that something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are a little under the weather and need some extra TLC, remember that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And okay, we will yeah, I'll have a Mask Monday up tomorrow and I'll have some more friend mail. And okay, just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.